Hello there, my name is Vivek Sausat, 11th class student, and today I am gonna tell about cybercrime and security. So let's start it. Now let's just talk about what cybercrime actually is. Cybercrime is a term that we use to broadly describe a criminal activity in which computers or computer networks are a tool, a target or a place of criminal activity and include everything electronic cracking to denial of service attacks. Crime committed using a computer and the internet to steal personal identity or illegal imports or malicious programs. In simple words, cybercrime is nothing but where the computer is used for any criminal activity. Now just have a look on history of cybercrime. Cybercrime first started with hackers trying to break into computer networks. Some did it just for the thrill of accessing high level security networks, but others sought to gain sensitive classified material. Eventually, criminals started to infect computer systems with computer viruses, which led to breakdown on personal and business computers. Computer viruses are forms of code or malware programs that can copy themselves and damage or destroy data and systems. When computer viruses are used on a large scale, like with bank, government, or hospital networks, these actions may be classified as cyber terrorism. Computer hackers also engage in phishing scams like asking for bank accounts numbers and credit card thefts. Now, I'm going to tell about types of cybercrime. So, have a look onto them. So, here are some types of cybercrime. The first one is phishing. So, what actually phishing is? Phishing is using fake emails to get personal information from internet users and misusing personal information. It is also called identity theft. The second one is hacking. Hacking is generally stealing personal information and using it illegally to harm people. Spreading hate and inciting terrorism is also a type of cybercrime. Distributing child pornography, making sexual advances to minors, malware, cyber stalking, DOS attacks, that is denial of service attacks, are also example of types of cybercrime. So now let's talk about how to prevent cybercrime. So we can prevent cybercrime by installing a good antivirus and using some good websites like secured website. You can see in the web address of website HTTPS. The S stands for secure. So by using a secure website and using an antivirus, we can prevent us from cybercrime. We can also prevent cybercrime by seeing websites grammatical mistakes. If a website had so many grammatical mistakes, then it is not secured. So, what is cyber law? Cyber law is a term used to describe a law that deals with issues related to the internet technology and electronic elements, communication technology including computer, software, hardware and information systems. The first cyber law was the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act enacted in 1986 known as CFAA. Now, let's just talk about importance of cyber law. So, what is the importance of cyber law? Cyber laws in India or cybercrime law in India are important because of the prime reason that Cybercrime Act in India encompasses and covers all aspects which occur or with the internet transactions and activities which concern the internet and cyberspace. So, what actually cyber safety is? Internet safety or online safety or cyber safety or e-safety is trying to be safe on the internet and is the act of maximizing a user's awareness of personal safety and security risks to provide information and property associated with using the internet and the self-protection from computer crime. In simple words, cyber safety is the safe and responsible use of information and communication technology, also called ICT. I hope that my presentation will be helpful for my audience to improve their knowledge about cybercrime and security and to overcome several security loopholes on their computer operations. Also, it helps to spread awareness among normal people about emerging security threats. Simple and practical prevention methods are explained in the seminar to prevent your PCs from infection. At last, I would like to thank my computer science teacher and all my classmates for giving me this outstanding opportunity to explore more about cybercrime and security.